This is how I was able to fix the error code CE-1129 and then 987 and then 8 on my PS5. So this is what I had to do to be able to fix it. There's going to be a couple of steps. The first step is to go to settings here, as you can see, and then users and accounts here. And then scroll down and click on other and click on restore licenses. And then just restore it for a couple of games here. I think you can do up to 5, so you need to basically do 5, and then if let's say you have 15 as I have, you need to do 5 and then 10 and then 15, if that makes sense. So from here I need to go down again, and then I have to do for those here as well, the other 5, and then so on, obviously, until you have all of your games covered here. Unfortunately, you cannot select all of them at once, which kind of is annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But here I'm just gonna scroll down and do the last 5 here as well. This is what I had to do. And then when this is done here, you can see it's pretty fast actually. But when it's done, what we need to do after that is that we're gonna go back to the settings here. And then you need to go to System and then System Software. Then System Software Update and Settings, and then make sure that it's up to date here, as you can see. If it's not, click on Update Using Internet, and it says that I have the latest version of the system software, which I didn't have before, by the way. So make sure that you actually get it. It's gonna fix a lot of bugs, just so you know. And the last step is gonna be for you to click on the PlayStation logo here on your PlayStation 5 controller. Click on the power button here and then restart PS5. And that is how I was able to fix it myself.